Hello all, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Who can see their video, their timings to globally. So like we are coming from IT BoostUp, we are like a best like a training institute, but here we are not theoretically, but we are practically guide with you to build your career and boost your like existing skills with the strong practical knowledge. So in this lecture, we can see like how last like you can see last four video we have additions, multiplication, subtraction, and the division of two numbers. But that four video we are like putting that hardcore values, not a user input. So you can see last four videos like we have if we are adding two numbers, we are putting the hardcore values. But in this lecture, in this video, we will cover that four program, but four programs like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and the division. But here we will differentiate that four program into one program. Here we are reading the values from the user input and will calculate that numbers whatever user has put it, and we will show the output to the particular windows. Let's start with that particular screens, like particular programs. I will create a new project. Before that, I will share my screen to, yes, this, I will share my Visual Studio screens. Yeah, I will save here. I will open file, new project. Here I will choose the console application in bracket .NET framework. Why we are choosing this? Because we require to host this application on Windows operating systems. If you are host to this program to Linux operating system, then you can choose this .NET Core application like Linux, Mac OS, Windows. But time being, I will choose like .NET framework, and I will select the here I will change the name here, user input values. User input values. And I will select the .NET framework 4.7.2. So this is the this solution explorer is coming in the right side corner. So I will open the program.cs file. We can change that rename that file name also. It's not required to put like program.cs file only, but we can change that file name also. Like .cs means like what is the extension .cs? C# extension. So let's start our the main program logic. So I will like first console dot write line to put the message to user. User is, I will ask to user enter first numbers. So I will put this hardcode message here. Then I will declare another variable. First number is equal to, here I will convert because I have declared the integer variable, and I will convert that the console.readline function which is returning a string variable. So I will show you like console.readlines. How we can in console application, how we can read the user's input values. So this is the best way to read the user input values by using console.readline function. That readline function, who has written this function? That Microsoft library has written this function inside which namespace? Using system library. Okay, that Microsoft has created a system library, and that inside the system library, they have written the real-line logic. That means they have used the system.io.io exception, multiple library they are using, and they have given that a real-line function we can easily use without any customized codes for that functions. So this is the like inbuilt functions they have given to us to optimize our logic, optimize our codes. So I have used this function. This function is returning the string variables. See here, like it's written the string variables. So we have declared the which variables? Integer variables. That means like integer and this function is returning a string. It's not matching. So like whenever we are compiling this application, it's giving the like errors, typecasting errors. So we are avoiding that typecast error. How we can avoid the typecast errors? By using the typecasting mechanism. C# has given the typecast mechanisms. How we can typecast? So if we are like assigned a string variable to integer variable, then we need to convert dot to integers. If we are like assigning like string variables to integer, like integer variable to string, then we will assign like typecast, like convert dot to strings. But here the like we are like reading the string variable and we are storing that integer variable. So we have like integer typecast implement. Same way we will write the second numbers. Console dot right line, enter second number. Sorry, I will lowercase. Same way, I will here declare the another variable. Second number is equal to convert dot to it. I will explain that why we require this typecasting here, because console dot reline, that function is written in the string variables. That's why we need to typecast here. Now I will like here like declaring the addition result. I will addition result kind of variable here. I will like show you all four programs into one video to avoid multiple videos. So like a same way, this logic will be same. So I will declare the four variable here. Instead of the additions, I will put here subtract, the multiplications, sorry, multiplication result, then division. So to avoid the multiple videos, we can take like four common arithmetic operation in a single programs. Okay, now we have declared the four variable with the initialization of the zeros. Now I will write the statement here, console dot right line, and I will put here addition of two numbers. Addition of two numbers. And I will put here first number plus second numbers. Same day, like whatever user has putting, sorry, it's like plus required here. Or we can say like we will assign here also instead of declaring that directly. So, and I will put here this result variables, and same way like I will copy these four lines and I will here like subtract, multiplication, and then division, and I will change the arithmetic here like subtract, then the multiplication, then it's a divisions. So like we have completed this logic part here, and we will like put this again for the fourth statement. This is the addition, subtract, multiplication, sorry, and division. And finally, I will put a console dot array lines. So we have written like we are reading these two variables and we are like assigning that variables with the multiples operators like a plus operator, minus operator, multiplication operator, and the division operator. Let's start. I will compile first this program. If any error is coming or not, we'll check. It's a compiling. It's a program will be compiling successfully. Now I will run the applications. Meanwhile, I will show board screen. Here, I don't think so, like the screen is coming or not. Okay. See here, we have put it first numbers, enter first numbers. I will put 10 and I will enter whenever you are entering automatically it's like coming that second lines and I will put the two numbers. So like see here, like addition of two numbers, it's like 10 plus 2, 12. Subtraction of two numbers and then the multiplication of two numbers like 12. Something is wrong here. Yeah, because everywhere we have putting the addition variables. That's why it's like coming 12, 12, 12. We need to change. I will share again. Here we have taken a mistake. Like addition of two numbers, we need to put here select subtract variable, multiplication variables, and then the division variables. See, okay, like we are putting here addition, subtraction, multiplication, and the divisions. Okay, I will start again the compilations. See here, again we will put enter first number. I will put from the keyboard like 10. I will put the enter second number 2. And see here like addition of two numbers like 10 plus 2, 12. Subtraction of two numbers 10 minus 2, 8. Like multiplication of two numbers like 10 into 2, 20. And the division of two numbers are like 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So like in single video, we have done this addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and we are reading the values from the user input. Here, like we are not hardcode the values. And how we can read these values, I will stop the screen and see that this is our exact program logic for reading the values from the user, not a hardcode. So you can also write this logic in your computer and try to understand how it's behavior to read the values and it's how to calculate that addition, subtraction, multiplication, and the divisions. So be connected with the IT BoostUp for the next videos. We will start and we will complete the basic arithmetic operator. We will see the how we can declare the class C# basic fundamental object 4 pillars encapsulation, inheritance, abstractions. These are the main 4 pillars we can see. Before that, we can see how we can declare the class, how we can declare the methods. So we will continue that next videos. If you like this video, then you can subscribe our channel, like these videos. Thank you. Be connected with IT BoostUp.